Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura impressa xj9 espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was having an issue with the grinder. It was giving the fill beans error message even while the machine was the grinder was full of beans. So it was having issues with the grinder. So we end up replacing the burrs and we're gonna test it out. Starting with hot water. Then we're gonna do cappuccino, then we're gonna do coffee. As you can see, steady stream coming out of the machine. Really good temperature as well. Working nice. And now we're gonna do the cappuccino. Let me get the hose for this. Alright, now I got the hose. Good foam coming out of the machine. Good flow coming from the spout. Add water so we can warm up the cup. Good flow coming out of the machine, excellent color, really good crema. And no error message. And there you have it, Jura impressa xj9 working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.